Okay, so I'm here with Dave Barsak from MultiTech, and we are going to have a great conversation about basically how people can simplify their M2M strategy. So Dave, why don't you tell me about the announcements you made with Eris, and let's start with that.
Terrific. Thank you, Carl. Yeah, we're excited to share information on some of the moves MultiTech is making to deliver on our brand promise, which is M2M simplified. One of the things we find is we work with companies that are interested in developing a connected product and or service strategy is that all too often they leave cellular technology and carrier evaluation, they put it off too far towards the end of their product development or service development cycle. And so as a continuation of the relationships we've built with MVNOs and carriers, we've announced a partnership with Eris, whereby the goal of the program is to simplify the process whereby prospects and customers get in touch with what we believe is one of a number of best-in-class MVNO carriers. So the goal is to, early on in the process, the MultiTech team can bring Eris in to an opportunity and introduce our customers, our prospects to Eris. It's a continuation of what we've been doing with Eris. We've had a number of products that have included a cellular radio that's been configured to operate on the Eris network. And this is just one of the things that we're doing to continue our commitment to M2M Simplify.
Excellent. And, for those legacy customers, you've also done an announcement with Core for all that 2G stuff. And we're going to actually have a webinar together on the 25th of February. So you want to talk a little bit about what we're talking there and how people make the transition?
Absolutely, yeah. We recognize Core as a best-in-class partner and provider as well. One of the reasons that we're partnering with Core is we have an alignment of values. Many of our customers, our separate customers and our mutual customers, continue to ask us for help in understanding how to address changes in technology, how to anticipate the future. And believe it or not, we still see many M2M deployments that are based on 2G technology, especially GPRS. And so we're putting on this webinar along with TMC to educate people on options they have to migrate from GPRS to 3G GSM technologies.
So now AT&T has made the statement that around 2017 is when they're going to cut off their 2G network. And speaking about going out with the old and in with the new, you guys have had some management changes. So tell me what's new over at MultiTech.
Absolutely. Late in 2013, our chairperson, Pat Sharma, made an announcement, that she has asked Rod Landers, a proven professional in the M2M and wireless industry, to take the helm of CEO of MultiTech. Rod is recognized as being an innovative visionary, and as many people know, our founder, the late Dr. Raghu Sharma, passed away approximately 6 years ago, and Pat has been running the company and leading the company, and decided that it's time to reinvigorate the company by bringing in more vision and additional talent that has vision and experience innovating new products and services. So Rod takes over as the CEO. Pat promoted our VP of Production, Del Pelichek, to the Chief Operating Officer. Del is a long-term MultiTech employee, very well respected by his peers and the employee community within MultiTech. And another exciting announcement is that Rod recruited and brought in a new Chief Technology Officer, Scott Wilkin, joins us from a company, Logic PD. Logic was known for being a product development and services company. And so we're thrilled to have Scott join the company. Last but not least, in the fourth quarter, we brought in a new Chief Financial Officer, Bruce Richardson. What's exciting about Bruce's addition to the executive team is he's steeped in financial expertise, but he's also a great strategist. He brings some great tools to helping the company and tools and methods that will help us flesh out our strategy for the next 5 years. So it's an exciting time at MultiTech. As Rod said in one of his announcements, he's here to shake things up, and I can tell you that the employees are receiving it positively and with a lot of energy.
Excellent. So I'm looking forward to the 25th and looking forward to seeing you at the show too. So
great. Thanks, Carl. We are too.